Kita Bell Zumbi Suju the pay me Tame Ranta shed. Kalenku pay or a thing the Samata, not so change no thing. Pay no danger Peva, let's out in the shuer. Nana Tona said, Nansan Nanda told the social get cheat of region. Or Nana Tonson Mania compare number last night, Nana Tonson, I labor a shot, they be just sent to the Cheshuado, and then Sampa Sansa Commission, Mass Shuey. Tang other change no danger soliaka, Sansu Shuela. Tang other song in the Tonson said, Mirichi Tate, Chedelia, she did on a castle kind of chamber of the Agma, the Tamala, also Kangate, and change no danger to so. She wants this job who does a shuey. And Manzo, the Shino Constitution, Papa shares the guitar, then the Tosa. Manso Satan number the lay and Manso in the Tonsete. Messipe Kati Chimbore, Taranaji, and the Tonsa Julia. Manso Mujin, you go so kind of Tamago, Shino Constitution Chimbochovia. Manso Mana and Nazo Mugos and Yash, Peter, the International Constitution Chimboga, Manso Satan Janasha. Or Tati Manso Noya, the Constitution Chimboga, Manso Noya, the Carretan, Nolo, Nonze Goya Chet Zanimare, Deep Mirik Chet, Pejaco Chet, Yaji Totuna. Papa the Jor Butcher Goma Carson or Shiji Yorol Deng Ari Deng in the Kumbajilo Moda Jentang and Disusan Deba in the Shambre Das. Chota Kanga pay Mirik and Rinsuba in the pay Mirik Rinsuba res, Tinsamala, pay Mirik Chet and Lega Legugre, pay Mirik Chet the College of Gursu Son Shire. They'll have Jor Butcher Son Tuma, kinds of Shono Constitution Chumbo, Miri Kana Mepa. And Zamli Dir Yons Zopa. Chulu Yons Zopa, Miri Yons Zopa, Donza Chidi Chiedo, Zamli Shide Negatola, Kalena, Chalena Dengegi, and Sanjire, things among other Sanjimaro, Mother Sincero, Nonze Gokun Haledota. Things Samatari, the Zon and Karishu with the Jana, Conte, Ki, Pay Miri, Chogasunk, Sena Pay me Yons Zopa, Yeva Pio Marta Sabbat, the subject hour. Dotin Domi Vitan, Yeva Pio Matsabi or Dakanga. Nazo Kanga de Pevare, Pay Jacob Chedelaca, Pay Mirik Chedelaca, Tanda Nazo Kanga Chi, Mudun Roy May for Maja Romo, Chono Constitution, Koba Shire, Rama Modula, Rama, Yoso, Zoba, the Kawach in the Mabare, Pay Ranzen Show with Jensen in the Mabachap. Jensen is among Nazo Kanga, Yama Tarin is okay. Pay Jung Inare, Shitu Tuto Inare, Pay Mima Inare. Kanga the Donza Chi the Tin, the Tarin is on the Nazo Pay Jacob, the Mirik Dick Chet, and Nazo Kanga, Shaleno, the Donza Chi Chet, Pay Missipa Kitchen Boredu, Jensen tell that Tarin is on the neck car show, Pay Choga song, Sanjo no Yang, Peva the Zo. Choga the Chulu with their major with thought. Not Peva in Rajo, not Peva in. Near Lomba Mayamar, the Kashamada Ranze Melo, the Ranze Mayamar, Ranze, your short. It's in Lango, Tanazo Kanga. Zamala, da Nanzo Kanga, Donza Chi the Dinner, and Peranzek Chi the Lungu Pay, Peranzek Chi the Shalena, 2GC, a large Tamujan, the Tenjon, Yang Yonzopa, Tati Chalet, the Noronans, Chita, Nibi Chalia, Terry, Cassie, the language, Shuchemo, Peva, and a baby, Jensen Teletin, and Nanzo regions to so there. Then at that point, no, I should not cause a shank of Choke. Going to go to the Gono Buchu, going to go to the child water. Zola sopa, Taganaje, and Nazo Tindigo, and Share Shadola sopa. So getting in a tongue said the pen region Soncho, Tenaja can take it. Then Oja goes Shenja Solia region, Pen Massive Pedro Champo Yongo, things I'm to sort of our in the garden, Mares, or things is like guessing language, paper in a language teaching chinny, and then Constitution to go to the other, and Casho, the Lele Tansha, Sopa, the Sanity, Mountain, Sojourn, the Songo, and the Tons Constitution going to go to the shoe chest, Yabush time, Tragibo time to her. Tagana Jig, and she had a tongue sopa, you want to sopa. She had a togu water. Take cargo mare, Nanga Chegoma, Carchi go to the tea to be surely, so pepper in the Giselle, pay Mirik shed, pay Jacob Dick shed, Carche to Carlet. This on a tango kitchen for it. All things are Moumbala, which 2G numbers of Kanga, what they should chase an order now, singing back to Shia. Can you show by Nanzo 나 대세 개싱에 랭귀지 시나타오지 개시 빼봐 얘는 같이 빼고 그래 나라 사야 말아 나 제 말아 나 동네치는 말아 이 제코 디치에도 빼고 배 제코 디치 배 제코 디치 제도 빼고 해도 진상 때문에 배 제코 디를 가 예바도 간다 무튼이 제고고 그럼 이제 나도 대소 전전을 찍어 냥에 질러야 돼 냥에 보면 냥에 같이 고래 냥에 지기나 같이 고래 니그 레와시도 님 배고 쉬자지도 뒤 무튼이 나고 뒤 무튼 니다다 레고 쉬고도 뒤 무튼
Alright, today everyone, every single one of us gathering here in front of the United Nations just for one reason. The reason, my dear friend, all of our friends, our brother, Dustin Pagyan, he was born in Tibet, raised in India, and became an activist and freedom fighter. He fought for his whole life, entire life, for Tibet, for our own nation. Now, I assume you have watched, you have witnessed the video that he left in his Facebook. His statement was clear, crystal clear. That is why I absolutely want to make it crystal clear that why he died, why he sacrificed himself. The reason was for his country, for his nation, for Tibet. That was the only reason. Now there might be people who will spread propaganda saying that he is crazy, he died for nonsense. That is absolutely wrong. There is no iota of evidence to prove that. He said that in his video. He is taking this non-violent action for independence, for Tibet's freedom, and especially, as we all know, China recently enacted a new law called ethnic unity, so-called ethnic unity. Now we all know behind their goal, we all know their policy. Their goal behind their law is to eradicate, to erase, to kill every single Tibetan nation, every single Tibetan people. And their goal is to wipe out Tibet from the world map. That is the Chinese goal. That is the goal of China's new law, so-called ethnic unity. They have no goal to unite us. They want to divide us. They want to conquer us. They want to kill all of us. That's the only reason my friend, Rasan Pandya, has sacrificed for himself. We all have witnessed. I want to make clear to everyone why he died, why he took his own life. Independence for Tibet, that's the one reason. Second, he protested against China's new law so-called ethnic unity. That was the reason he died. And then, now, I personally lost my good friend, Kozabajan. As far as I remember, I know him. I just spoke with him this morning for 4 minutes. He called me saying what I was doing. I told him I was very I didn't get time to talk to him. That was the last conversation that I had. Now, he's gone to Dhaka for our own country. What we have to do. Now, this is time for every single Tibetan to unite. It doesn't matter how powerful, how rich Chinese government is. As long as there is a single Tibetan alive in this world, we will march forward. We will keep fighting. And we will remember, keep in our mind, our dear friend, Lobga, in our heart forever. So I request everyone to unite us and fight against one enemy. The enemy is Chinese government. Thank you. Tibet belongs to Tibet belongs to Who is the killer? China is the killer. Who